Welcome to Chapter 3, Module 4. In this chapter, we very much bring all your learning about the Flow Profiler Role Reviewer back to your role and your organization. Before we move on to that activity, however, I wanted to just share with you a couple of additional benchmarking activities you may consider. You can use assessments like Flow Profiler to assess for high performers. So a subsequent analysis will allow you to create a behavioral profile for a role or several roles if you repeat the exercise X number of times. The other thing many of our clients are doing currently is actually assessing the whole organization to create an organizational culture profile. And what this allows them to do is to identify perhaps the motivation and engagement drivers that their organization is able to offer people and bring that in as a consideration in the recruitment process. So ask your coach if any of these things are interesting to you, and they will be more than happy to help. For now, Worksheet 4.3, please go ahead and download that worksheet if you haven't already. And what you'll find is that this is actually your very own copy of your Flow Profiler Role Reviewer. We'd like you please to choose a role within your business. That may be a role you're recruiting for, a role that you might be recruiting for, or a role that you just like to use for this exercise. Engage as many stakeholders as you can as possible so that you can have a collaborative conversation and get a real flavor as to what that experience, that process would look like when collaborating with others. And then go ahead as a collective and complete the Flow Profiler Role Reviewer. The great news is that for that role, you only need to do this once and you will have that profile around aptitude, approach, and attitude in your files ready to go for your next recruitment campaign. Enjoy the activity, and I look forward to seeing you in Module 5, where we will start looking at how to attract candidates into your business based on behavioral job ads and all kinds of cool things like that, and also some of the things you might want to look for when you're shortlisting your candidate list. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon.